Hello and welcome students. In this video I'll explain you what a phrase is and its kinds. A phrase is a group of words acting as a single element in a sentence but not having a subject and verb of its own. In other words, we can say that a phrase does the work of a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. A phrase does not have a finite verb but may have an infinite verb, for example, participle, infinitive, or gerund. एक फ्रेज जो है वो ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है जो कि काम करता है सिंगल एलिमेंट का एक सेंटेंस में, लेकिन ना तो इसमें सब्जेक्ट होता है और ना ही इसकी वर्ब होती है। दूसरे शब्दों में हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जो फ्रेज होता है वो काम करता है नाउन का, एडजेक्टिव का या फिर एडवर्ब का। एक फ्रेज का जो है कोई फाइनाइट वर्ब नहीं होता है, लेकिन उसमें इनफाइनाइट वर्ब्स हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि पार्टिसिपल, इन्फिनेटिव या gerund. Now look at the following sentences. Slowly he walked toward the door. In this sentence, toward the door is a phrase. If we talk only about toward the door, it does not convey a complete meaning or a particular meaning. But if we add slowly he walked to it, it conveys a complete meaning or a particular meaning. In next sentence, he liked singing folk ballads. In this sentence, singing folk ballads is a phrase. If we talk only about singing folk ballads, it does not convey a complete meaning or a particular meaning. But if we add he liked to it, it conveys a complete meaning. It means a phrase is only a part of a sentence. It does not convey a complete meaning or a particular meaning. Now let us discuss about the kinds of phrases. First one is noun phrase. A noun phrase does the work of a noun. एक नाउन फ्रेज जो है वो काम करता है एक नाउन का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिस्ट्रॉइंग जंगल्स इज अ blunder. In this sentence, destroying jungles is a noun phrase. Here, jungles is noun and the word destroying is modifying the word jungles. In next sentence, the dictators loved to issue harsh commands. In this sentence, to issue harsh commands is a noun phrase. Here, harsh commands is noun and the words to issue are modifying the words harsh commands. So it is noun phrase. Now next is adjective phrase. A phrase that does the function of an adjective or modifies a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective phrase. एक ऐसा phrase जो काम करता है adjective का या फिर बताता है noun या pronoun के बारे में, वो कहलाता है adjective phrase. For example, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. In this sentence, in hand is an adjective phrase. Here in this sentence, in hand words are modifying the words a bird. In next sentence, the patient spent a night without sleep. In this sentence, without sleep is an adjective phrase, as these words are modifying the word night. Next is adverb phrase. A phrase that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb is called an adverb phrase. एक ऐसा phrase जो modify करता है यानी कि बताता है verb के बारे में, adjective के बारे में या किसी दूसरे adverb के बारे में, वो कहलाता है adverb phrase. It answers one of these questions: when, where, why, how, as. इसमें हमें जवाब मिलता है ऐसे क्वेश्चंस का जैसे कि कब, कहाँ, क्यों, कैसे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, his father was a business tycoon in these days. Here, in these days is an adverb phrase, as we are getting the answer of question when. In next sentence, Dr. Khurana lives in a foreign country. Here, in a foreign country is an adverb phrase, as we are getting the answer of question where. Students, I have attached a PDF file of exercises based on phrases. Kindly do these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.